Hi, welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to see how Siri, Alexa and other voice assistants work. First of all, the overview. Siri basically listens to us, give an instruction, then goes search for the answers and gives us the answer. This is how Siri and other voice assistants work. First of all, how do they listen to us? They listen to us with their special ears, that is their microphones. Now you may ask, how do they always listen to us? Well, they have wake up words like hey Alexa or hey Siri. So when you start calling them by their names, hey Alexa or hey Siri, from the background ambient listening mode, they start to wake up and actually listen to what you say and start recording your audio to further process the information. Now, how do they understand what we are saying? Well, these AIs are very smart and they try to understand what we are saying by changing our audios into the language that the computer understands. Now, how do these AIs do that? Well, they have super brains just like ours called processors. These processors help in processing the audio and changing them into the language that the computer understands. What do we do when we are asked a question? We think about the answer and process it in our brain and search for the answer and say it out loud. Similarly, these voice assistants process the question that we have given and go ask for the answer to the relevant APIs and services. For example, if we ask what is the weather today, the voice assistant is going to search an API or service that provides the weather report and get the answer and give it to us. Now, how do they respond to us? They respond to us with their special mouths, that is the speakers. Now, these responses are generated to TTS technology. TTS technology is nothing but text to speech technology. As I said earlier, when we give the inputs through audio format, it has converted into text for it to understand and it has fetched the answers in the same way. So to give it back to us in the speech format, the texts are converted into text to speech format. Voice assistants continuously improve through machine learning and user interactions. That is, the more we speak to Alexa or Siri or any voice assistant, the more they try to understand us better and give proper answers. Wait a minute, do all these tasks just happen by themselves? No, because voice assistants rely on internet connectivity, that is basically the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Only with this internet connectivity, it will be able to access cloud-based services and perform complex tasks. Hope you had fun learning about how a voice assistant actually works. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to HackerKID and click the bell icon.